Hello you creative bunch, and thanks for stopping by. Recently I got involved with one of these draw this in your style challenges. Now I'd never really done one before because up until now I hadn't really been interested in doing that, so until this one came along and this caught my imagination. There's a guy called Christoph Groll who's a tattoo artist, and he has a separate page. He's got his own page on Instagram showing his tattoo work, but he's got a separate page as well called Grollak Art, or Grollak_art, where he shows off his character illustrations. They're really quite good as well. He posted this challenge to draw his sidekick, which he calls a Grollito. And anyway, I thought I'd have a bash at this anyway because my daughter was kind of interested in it as well. I've got my 10-year-old daughter said I should have a go, so I did. And I came up with this character that you're about to see in a moment. But yes, Christoph is well worth checking out. His tattoo art's really quite something, and his character illustrations are brilliant, as you can see here, and he's worth looking at. And this Grollito challenge, it's hashtag Grollito. There's all sorts of illustrations up there that's been done by quite a few people. There's quite a few up there, all very different, all very interesting, all very fun. So yes, I thought I'd have a go. This is what I came up with. It's called Grollito, the Iggy Piggy, and this is how it came together. Check it out. for stopping by. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and like. Hit subscribe on my channel and hit the bell for updates if you want to see some more content from me. And if you've liked what you've seen in this process, you can check out the Instagram hashtags. I'll leave some links in the description down below. You can go and have a look at those as well. Take care. Keep creating. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.